Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we'll be using my extra short square soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link down below. But today we're doing a super easy design. We're just doing basic black nails. It's easy, but I also have some tips and tricks for you along the way. So I'm just going in, sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nail wall to wall. These are soft gel. These are not ABS plastic. So when sizing them, you just want to make sure that they fit. If you come across one that's too big or too small, just always opt for the bigger one and size it down with an emery board. Okay, so for application, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. That's definitely a mouthful, but the best way I can describe it is literally a solid nail glue. And it's kind of like a putty texture, but it's super easy to use. You just go in and you literally scoop it out with your soft gel full nail cover and apply. If you happen to get any excess around the cuticle area or on the sides, you just want to make sure that you go in and remove that before you cure. And you also want to kind of eliminate the amount of times that your actual hand is touching that product, because the oils off our fingers can definitely make the product not adhere well. Also, side note, it's super easy to put on. As you can see, I literally just did 4 nails in like under a minute. It's insane. I love this product because it cuts my nail time down literally in a fourth. But you do want to make sure that you are fully prepping your nails before doing this. I did not show my prep routine in this video, and if you are interested, then I'll be sure to have a link to my full prep routine down below. But here's all 4 fingers. You want to make sure that you cure your thumbs separately. And now we're going to go in and file. Now the video cuts off here, but the file time is cut down in half as well because the soft gel full nail covers are already shaped for you. So I really just went in and made my nails super square. I like a really square, sharp edges, like King Cut a Bitch, like real square, real sharp. So that's what I did here, and then I also clipped it down a little bit with these nail clippers. And then if you did go in and fully prep your nails, at this point you would go in and wash your hands. And now I went in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, wiped my nails down, and then I also went in with a drill and just did some filing. Since these are soft gel full nail covers, this part is not necessary. But now I'm going in with a dehydrator primer, and I just go in around my cuticles, and that just helps melt the soft gel full nail covers to your nail. It makes everything look like seamless when applying any polish on top. That's one of my secret tricks. But now I'm going in with my black polish. This is Nora by Model 1s. This is just a part of their black and white combo. You can get this off of Amazon. So far, this is one of the best black polishes that I've come across. I've tried a whole bunch of other brands, and oftentimes you need like 2 to 3 coats of black just to get that really deep, rich color. And this kind of gives you that deep, rich color right off the bat. I'm sorry, this is by MAKARRT, not Model 1s. But I do have a discount code for MAKARRT down below. You can get a duo of their black and white off their website. And I believe my discount code is about 20% off. So if you're in the market and you're interested, you can definitely check that out down below. But like I said, you can go in and do 1 coat and it's pretty much fully, like, the color is really there. I did do 2 coats of this gel polish, but I'm just kind of showing you guys my method. I kind of just like scrub and then do my little layers. And then I go in with a brush. This is a round tip brush with some alcohol, and I just kind of clean up around the cuticles. But yeah, as you can see, I just kind of went in. It's super easy. But you do want to make sure that you're removing it before curing, because it can be hard to get off. Some people say when you wash your hands, it comes off the next day. If you get any nail polish on your cuticles or around, it doesn't. Just get it off beforehand. So now I'm going in and doing my second coat. And as always, always do your thumb separately. Your thumb needs separate attention. It's not going to cure properly. I know it takes longer, but you know, you have to just go in and do your thumb separately. All right, so now here's another trick. I go in with a line brush. This is from Amazon. It comes in 5 like sticks, but they're double-ended, and they're really great. I believe the side that I'm using is the 5mm side, but it really doesn't matter. But I just went in with some black polish, and you want to make sure that you're looking at both sides of your nails, and you just want to make sure that you hit it fully with whatever gel polish color that you're using. And I just went ahead and applied this to the box that my nail art brushes are in. You can use a nail art palette, whatever the case may be, but I just went in and made sure that I got those sides, because when you're looking dead on, you know, you don't really see the sides and you could miss spots. So you just want to make sure that you're maneuvering your hands and that you fully covered your whole fingernail. Top coat, this is my favorite top coat, Model Ones. This is their regular gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. I'm sure their no wipe is amazing, but this is just my personal favorite. And lastly, cuticle oil. This is my rose cuticle oil. This also is available for purchase. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not. It's actually currently sold out, but as I said earlier, it will be back in stock in the fall. So here's the final look, a super simple, super elegant design, with just a few of my tips and tricks. I haven't done like a really basic design like this in a while, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video.